Despite Bitcoin's recent rebound, conflicting market signals suggest its medium-term trend remains highly uncertain. While Fed dovishness offered temporary relief, massive ETF outflows battled new institutional inflows, creating a contradictory market picture. With sentiment at extreme fear and key support zones under pressure, Bitcoin's true direction is still unresolved. A major DeFi protocol just revealed its plan to recover from a staggering $128 million exploit. Balancer is now proposing to reimburse approximately $8 million to affected liquidity providers, salvaged through white hat hackers and internal rescue operations. This plan includes pro-rata distributions, KYC checks for claimants and white hats, and a 180-day claim window aiming to restore trust in the protocol. The architect of the $40 billion Terra collapse, Kwon, has pleaded guilty, and his requested prison term is now public. His lawyers seek 5 years in the US, citing nearly 3 years already served in Montenegro, and over $19 million forfeited. This follows the 2022 Terra ecosystem implosion, devastating crypto markets, with Kwon still facing up to 40 years in South Korea. Just one day after a major acquisition announcement, South Korea's largest crypto exchange, Upbit, was hit by a $30.6 million hack. Authorities suspect North Korea's notorious Lazarus group, noting similarities to their 2019 attack, involving compromised administrator credentials. Upbit pledges to cover all losses, but this incident underscores the critical need for enhanced cybersecurity in the volatile crypto space. Kyrgyzstan just made a groundbreaking move in digital finance, launching USDKG, Central Asia's first state-regulated, gold-backed stablecoin. This USDKG stablecoin, pegged 1-to-1 to the USD and backed by physical gold, operates on the Tron blockchain, initially with a $50 million issuance for international settlements. It's not a CBDC, but a state-supervised asset, aiming to boost financial inclusion and offer inflation resistance, with plans to expand gold reserves to $2 billion. What if a nation, facing severe inflation, decided to fully embrace digital assets? Bolivia is now allowing banks to offer stablecoin deposit accounts, credit cards, and loans, a direct response to over 22% annual inflation and a severe dollar shortage. This modernization move, as officials call it, highlights how mass crypto adoption can push governments to legalize what they once banned, regardless of initial resistance. Something unusual is happening in crypto. Binance's stablecoin reserves just hit an unprecedented $51.1 billion. This record surge, amidst market corrections, suggests traders are moving into stablecoins for safety, injecting massive liquidity. Think of stablecoins as the cash in your crypto wallet. This influx means more cash is ready for action, potentially signaling future buying opportunities. Contrary to traditional financial assessments, S&P Global just slapped Tether's USDT with its lowest, weak, rating, igniting a fierce debate about stablecoin stability. S&P cited USDT's rising exposure to volatile assets, like Bitcoin, exceeding its buffer. Tether's CEO argues traditional models fail to grasp digital money's unique structure. It's like trying to measure a decentralized ledger with a paper accounting book. The tools aren't designed for the same system. This overlooked crypto update could drastically change your Ethereum transaction experience. Ethereum validators just pushed the block gas limit to 60 million, a 4-year high, significantly boosting network throughput. This means more transactions per block, potentially lower fees, and crucial preparation for the upcoming Fusaka upgrade, with Vitalik Buterin advocating for smarter, targeted scaling. What if a privacy coin, long in the shadows, is about to get its own ETF, potentially mirroring Bitcoin's wild ride? Grayscale, that big asset manager, just filed with the SEC to turn its Zcash trust into a spot ETF. This could unlock institutional money for ZEC, but remember GBTC? Its discount phase was like a boss battle for some investors. A major security breach just hit South Korea's largest crypto exchange, Upbit, with approximately $38.5 million drained from its Solana hot wallet. The exchange immediately halted all deposits and withdrawals, moving remaining assets to cold storage to prevent further losses. Upbit confirmed it will cover all losses from its own reserves, highlighting the persistent security challenges in the crypto industry. Experts are revealing the true reason behind SpaceX's recent $105 million Bitcoin transfer, and it's not what you think. Elon Musk's aerospace company moved 163 BTC to a new Coinbase Prime-linked wallet, a significant shift after years of dormancy. Analysts confirm this is a custody reshuffle, like updating your secure vault, not a liquidation, maintaining their 6,095 BTC holdings.